Hello everyone, today in this video I am going to show you how to check locked folder in Google Photos. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel.
First of all, you have to open Google Photos and tap on Library. After that, you have to tap on top right on Titles. Now scroll down all the way down here. Now here you have to click on Locked Folder. Now here you have to add your password or fingerprint. Now here you can see that I have got the locked folder. You can also add photos inside it.
In this way you can check locked folder in Google Photos. Thanks for watching this video.